Alright guys, welcome back to part 4 of this video, right? This is part 4, right? So in part 3, you guys saw me, I just rinsed out her hair, so I was applying the deep conditioner to her hair. Stop. So we didn't actually use a steamer. So when you don't have a steamer and you're at home, this is actually one way to get your body heat to actually heat up your deep conditioner, and then you can now rinse. So she's had it on for a couple of minutes. It's getting kind of pretty late, so I need to wash it off and get on to the next stage. So welcome back, and remember, if you're new on here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, I really do. So we're going to go outside again. We're going to go back to our village method of rinsing and washing our hair. So when we come back, we're going to use our leave-in, our butter, and our growth oil to moisturize our hair and then put it in a style. So come with me come with me as we go to rinse off her hair.
8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Dominion City Complex.
Okay, you heard it from the horse's mouth. Dominion Convention. But she said she's not a horse. That's not what it means, but it's fine. All right, let's go out and rinse our hair, okay? I hope you guys can see us. Our village. So that we don't get it wet. Oh.
Looking like vanilla.
Yeah, the vanilla flavored conditioner. Don't look at it. So we're done rinsing off, so we're just going to go in and moisturize our hair and put it in a style. It's me doing the hair, and I'm not about the life of trying to do complicated styles, so I'm just going to do what I can today, and then when she gets a chance, she can go to the salon and get it properly done. So we're gonna go the lazy way, because that's what I'm about. Okay, welcome back guys. So we have finished rinsing off her hair. One went to change up because she was cold, her dress got wet. So now it's time to choose a style for the week. Okay, now before that, can you show people your hair? Just bend forward. Hold on now, can we show them? Look at this definition. It's how her curls are all clumped. This is a good base. Wanna come out now? Yeah. This is a good base if you want to do a wash and go.
But
if
not
that's
the
your style. So, what do I
You can
do?
do your washing anyway.
So we're gonna apply some leave-in conditioner.
That's his mouth.
Huh? I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner. I'm tired already. Young lady has a lot of hair. I've been spoiled by Jaggy's Bella Pro therapists. They spoiled me silly. Now to follow through a full wash day is like work. But yeah. So sorry. You want to ensure that you're moisturizing section by section. Okay. So when you're done with applying your leave-in, we're doing the LCO. We're going to do the cream. That's our cream. I like to be generous at the tip so that there isn't a lot of friction there. And then last but not the least, the growth oil to seal. This is it. Why are you full of drama? Why are you full of drama? So when you're done, twist that section away. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's the softness of Wana's hair for me. Her hair these days is just really soft, and I struggled with maintaining moisture in this hair for the longest time. But ever since we switched to the Jaggy's Bella Pro products. Why are you doing that one? My hair has been really soft. Consistently using the same product. Hair has been really soft. So I'm just gonna do the same thing all over our hair, and then I'll meet you guys when we're styling, okay? I actually prefer Wana's hair in simpler styles, but she has a lot of hair. Whenever they make really intricate styles, she's really wanting bridal hair styling. So I've promised her for her Christmas party she can have that. But this is Harmattan. This Harmattan is not smiling in Nigeria. The weather is dry. Look at my hair. How dry it gets. So last but not least, the oil. Wanna raise your head now. How are we gonna approach this hair now? I want something very simple. Because you can't maintain it, so it will be rough by tomorrow. Tired. You can tell this is lazy natural hairstyle. today, she can actually now get her hair properly done by the therapists at Jegis Belafu. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and comment. Yeah, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I totally appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget what? Dominion
Convention
2022. So I'll be posting the dates. I'll be posting the dates in the description. See you guys. Bye. Stay hydrated, guys.
Stay hydrated, guys. Bye-bye. Kiss, kiss.
So our stash, we're going up. Let's go.